Very good afternoon, everyone. I wish that all of you are safe and will be safe until this pandemic passes. So, my name is Neelam and I am handling admissions for Paul Smiths College. I'm live today through this FP Live session, which is being facilitated by Avenues Abroad, a very renowned and leading overseas education consultants, managed and directed by Mr. Rachit Chopra. They have their head office in Canada and they have their corporate office in Chandigarh. So as they are one of our authorized channel partner for Paul Smiths College, so in case you want any more details about the programs or anything related to Paul Smiths College, then I would suggest that please get in touch with the team of Avenues Abroad. And I would like to thank Mr. Rachit Chopra, Mr. Matthew Paul and the whole team of Avenues Abroad for letting me use this platform and to connect with all of you. And I will be talking about the college, the location where we are located, the programs that we offer, and who all are eligible to take admissions at Paul Smiths College. So starting with the college, we are a 4-year institution which was founded way back in 1946. It's been more than 70 plus years that we have been providing quality education to the students. We are located in Adirondack, which is in New York, USA. So talking about New York and USA, we know that USA is among the renowned countries and top destinations for education for international student. And talking about New York again is among top 3 destinations in USA, which is most preferred by the international student for their studies. So we are located in Adirondack in New York. Talking about New York, Adirondack. So Adirondack is basically a hamlet in Warren County of New York. Okay, so we are around 270 miles away from New York, but we are very well connected to nearby cities like Boston, Chicago, Burlington, and we are also very well connected to Montreal because we are very near to the Canada border, and the nearest place is Montreal in that region to Paul Smiths College. So traveling is very easy to Paul Smiths College. You can choose to travel to New York or any of the international airport to New York. It can be Plattsburgh International Airport or it can be JF Kennedy New York International Airport in New York. And from there, there are multiple options available. You can choose to travel by public transport or private transport, or you can also take domestic flight to domestic airport, which is Saranac Lake Airport, which is just few miles away from the campus. And you can avail the option of pickup facility that is being provided by the college. Talking more about the place, which is Adirondack. So we are a tourist place basically, and every year more than 10 million tourists visit Adirondack. So you can imagine the beauty which is there in Adirondack. So breathtaking beauty, world-class recreation, and many more are such parallel names which are used for Adirondack. So Adirondack has more than 100 welcoming communities. It has a lot of mountains, it has a lot of lakes, it has a lot of valleys, and there are many sports and recreational activity spots which students can enjoy. Apart from that, there are many lakes where students can enjoy fishing. We have historic forts nearby. We have Lake Placid, which is famous and also famous for its being home to Olympic Games twice, Winter Olympic Games to be precise. Also, we are just 2 hours away from Montreal, so student can also visit Montreal on their weekends. What we offer at Paul Smiths College? So Paul Smiths College offers a hands-on education to the student. So what is hands-on education? It is basically a combination of much required career training, which is very much required when you enter into the job, along with the exploration of your program, of your field, of your industry, your own self, the society and the earth. So why I have mentioned society and the earth, you will get to know when I will talk more about the college. So this is what we deliver to the student. And how do we deliver that? We facilitate the experiential learning to the student by bringing them real world applications. And how we do that, I will explain when I will tell you that how do we conduct classes at Paul Smith's College. Talking about the accreditations, knowing accreditations of any college is really important. So we are accredited by Middle State Commission on Higher Learning. We are also accredited by the American Society of Foresters in USA, and the surveying technology program that we offer is also accredited by the Engineering Technology Accreditation Commission. Further talking about the rankings and the recognition of Paul Smith's College. So we are recognized as Best Value Outdoor College by University Business Magazine. And talking about the US News and World Report rankings, which one cannot forget to mention. So Paul Smith's College has been recognized as among top best 5 institution as being most innovative, best in undergraduate teaching. We are among top 27 institutes in best best regional college in the north of USA. We are also among top 34 institutes as a top performer in social mobility. This is not it. We are talking about our graduation rate, which is 96%. So 96% graduation rate at Paul Smith's College, which indicates that 96% of our graduates, they get the job or they get into their higher education programs into various reputed colleges within just 6 months of their completing graduation at Paul Smith's College. Not only this, we also offer, you can choose to study 1 semester abroad at partner institutions like Apicius School of Hospitality. At Paul Smith's College, you also get the chance to work directly with the admin of UNESCO Man and Biosphere Reserve, which is in Italy. So these are just a few opportunities that I am mentioning which Paul Smith's College brings you if you are studying at Paul Smith's College. Further talking about the campus, so we are among the top in the world and in the USA as the largest campuses. So we are expanding, our land size is expanding up to 14,000 acre in the Adirondacks. And we are sitting right in the middle of Adirondacks, and in this campus we have more than 200 lakes in the campus itself. And also our college itself is located on the banks of St. Regis Lake. So you can imagine taking classes or enjoying your breaks on the banks itself, bank of the river. So you will enjoy your education with the scenic beauty that you will be having at Adirondacks. So with the state-of-art infrastructure, the student gets many facilities like library, cafes, bakeries, restaurants, and many more, which are the part of the campus itself. Housing, talking about the housing for international students. So we have 13 residence halls basically, which are for international students, which they can choose as per their own liking. They can choose any of those residence halls, and they can choose to live in numbers or as a single for their housing options. In housing options, you will get the common dining facility, and you will also get the common cooking facility wherein you can cook as per your own taste if you wish to. Talking about the strength at Paul Smith's College. So we are a tight-knit college, and we have the strength of around 900 to 1,000 students in the campus, and 34% of those students are international students which are at Paul Smith's College. Why we are a tight-knit college? Because we we believe on providing quality education to students. So in order to provide you quality education, we tend to keep our student to faculty ratio low. So that is why we do not prefer enrolling much of these students at Paul Smith's College. So our student to faculty ratio is 10:1. So that way every student will be more focused by the faculty who is facilitating them any particular course or program, and that way the student also get more time and more chance or more opportunity to interact with the faculty. So our classes that we give or conduct at Paul Smith's College, as I mentioned earlier, that these are not very normal classes. We try to bring the real world applications to the student, or we try to demonstrate everything in the real world. So how do we do that at Paul Smith's College? So basically our classes are conducted on the real ground. So for example, we have programs in hospitality, we have programs in forestry, we have program in surveying technology, we have program in environmental sciences and natural sciences. So how do we teach students at Paul Smith's College? Because these all programs are such that you need live demonstration, or environments can be studied best when you go yourself into the environment. So at Paul Smith's College, students are taken into the forest, they are taken into the hotels, wherein they learn about how the hospitality business is run, or how it is maintained, or how the forests are being maintained. So what we do at Paul Smith's College, we have many small industries and many businesses around Paul Smith's College. Reason being that we are a tourist place. So there are many hotels, there are many cafes, there are many bakeries. So what do? We take the projects from them, be it relating to the marketing, be it relating to the management, and all those projects are being handled by the respective students at Paul Smith's College. So if it is a project relating to the management students will be working on those projects. If it is a project relating to forestry, then forestry student will be working on those projects, and they will be learning about their program which they are studying at Paul Smith's College. So basically we are giving them the practical education by making them work on the live projects at Paul Smith's College. We have 5 departments, and those 5 departments maintain our 24 bachelor degree program and 7 associate degree program. So we offer only bachelor degree programs and associate degree programs. The duration of bachelor degree program is 4 years, and the duration of our associate degree programs is 2 years. And all of our program, as I said, that the programs that we offer, they are into the field of natural science, environmental sciences, environmental studies, ecology, restoration, sustainability, communication, which is also known as PR these days. We have program in management, business management, hotel, resort and tourism management. We have programs in surveying technology, culinary arts, baking arts, culinary arts and service management, and like these. So if you want in-depth details of these programs, I would suggest you to please get in touch with the team of Avenues Abroad, and they will give you the details of these programs, how and what all is being taught in these programs, and what are the career options for if you take admission into any of these programs. Apart from this, we have a very dedicated student development center, which is for the counseling or health services or any psychiatric counseling if the student need, or if they need any additional help in their academics, or they want additional tutoring. So all those issues which a student would be facing or might face when they are in the campus, they can reach out to our student development center, which is there helping students 24/7. Now talking about the eligibility of the programs, basically who all can take admissions at Paul Smith's College. So any student who has done their 12th grade, or because there are students who do not opt for 12th, they opt for some diploma or any kind of 3-year degree after they pass out their 10th grade. So those students are eligible to take admission at Paul Smith's College on the conditions that their GPA should be 2.5 on scale of 4. So your GPA, if you have done 12th standard or if you have done any diploma, then your GPA should be 2.5, or conveniently if I tell, your percentage should be above 65%, right? What else do we require apart from your percentage? We require your transcripts. Transcripts, basically your mark sheets from your previous education. Apart from that, we require English eligibility scores. So English eligibility scores that we accept for Paul Smith's College are IELTS, it could be TOEFL, or it could be Duolingo. So the IELTS score that we require for you to have is 6.5 overall. We do not have any certain limitation that you should have particular band in listening, writing, speaking, not like that. So this is how it is. Then going further about Duolingo score, so Duolingo score should be 80. Talking about the gap in the study, so we accept the gap in the study, and talking about the gap, that what particular number of years do we accept as a gap. So we review the application at Paul Smith's College on case-to-case basis. So some student might have 1 year gap, some student might have 4 year gap, some student might have more than 4 years. So your eligibility and basis on the of the gap that you have in your education, that will be decided on case to case basis. It will not be a general general time window that I can tell you, but it is advisable that your gap should not be more than 5 years. Talking about the application fee, so our application at Paul Smith's College is absolutely free of cost. We do not incur any charges for you for application. So what you need to do is you need to fill in the application form and then attach your transcripts. Along with that, you need to attach your IELTS scorecard or your English eligibility scorecard. You should attach your passport. You should attach 2 letters of recommendation and 1 SOP or essay written by you. And you should send your application to Avenues Abroad, and they can in return process your application at Paul Smith's College. Talking about the fees, which is the tuition fees. So our tuition fee for 1 academic year is $30,160. And talking about the housing expenses that you will have to incur, that would be around $11,400 per year. So the amount of financial proofs that you need to give to get your I-20, that would be around $49,000 of the amount. Now talking about the process of the admission. So what you need to do is you need to give your application, submit your application, and our turnaround time for your offer letters or I-20 is maximum 10 business days. And within 10 days you will get to know that whether your application has been accepted. Now once your application is accepted, you need to give an advance payment of $250, which is basically a part of your tuition fee itself, but you are paying in advance. This is not an additional cost that I have told you, or apart from the tuition fees that I have told you. So basically you will be paying $250 of your overall tuition fee in advance in order to get your I-20, and once you do that deposit, your I-20 will be emailed to you. And after you get your I-20, you can apply for your visa and you can join classes as soon as the intake start. So talking about the intakes, we have 2 intakes. One is January, which is currently open right now, January 2021 intake. Then we have a September intake. So we do admissions on rolling admissions. That is the procedure that we follow. In case you want to apply for September 2021 as well as of now itself, so you can also do that, because we will be processing the application for that as well. Also, we offer a huge amount of scholarships. So the scholarships that we offer, they are GPA based, and the minimum amount of scholarship that we offer is $12,000. Yes, we offer the minimum amount of scholarship that international student can get is 12,000 US dollars. So basically all the international students who are applying at Paul Smith College, they get the scholarship because they are GPA based, and the minimum GPA that we require for you to avail scholarship is 2.5. So as I said that the minimum eligibility condition to get admission is your GPA should be 2.5, and the same is applicable for the scholarships, which should be 2.5. So automatically, which means that if you are taking admission at Paul Smith College, you will be getting a minimum of $12,000 as a scholarship. And these scholarships can vary and go up to $17,000, but again it should be basically it is as your GPA increases, your scholarship amount will be increased, and these scholarship will be applicable for the whole duration of your program. So if you are doing bachelor degree program, then your scholarship will be given to you for 4 years, provided that you should maintain your GPA. And if you are taking an associate degree program, then also you should maintain the GPA for 2 years, and for 2 years you will be getting the same amount of scholarship. So this was in general about Paul Smith College, the programs we offer, where we are located, what are the admission requirements that we have, and scholarship and fee details. Apart from that, talking about the COVID-19 situation. So by far on our campus, since this pandemic has begun, by far we have had only one case on the campus, and as of now our classes has started being on campus again. So it is like 50-50. We are taking some of the classes offline, we are taking some of the classes online, and we are trying our best to conduct all the classes offline as soon as possible. So only one cases of COVID has been reported on the campus, and apart from that, the recent changes that we have done in order to accommodate this new normal is that we are not asking for any SAT or ACT scores. We are also accepting your unofficial transcripts, because there might be students who might have not received their transcripts from their college or their schools because of the COVID. Also, if your application, if you do not somehow get your visa interview, or you are not able to get your visa, and if you want to apply for the next intake, then your application, your scholarship, everything which is awarded to you in this intake will be deferred to next intake as intact as it is in this particular intake. Also, we have launched one portal, which is LabCrop Patient Portal, wherein you can check the details that if you are suspecting any COVID symptoms, then you can report on that portal. You can ask for help on that portal, and you can check all your health parameters. Whatever tests are being conducted for you on you can check that on that portal. So these are some recent changes that we have done. So again, I hope that this session was informative for you, and whatever details you want more, you can contact Avenues Abroad, and just stay safe, stay at home, and take care of yourself. Thank you.